Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. We've demonstrated on 2012 Ford F-150 that we have right here. If you have one that generation but different year, the video may be helpful as well. First, we'll start by the engine bay fuse box. When you open your hood, in the engine bay, right above the radiator, you have that fuse box. When you open it, you will face it that way. You have the relays here, fuses right there, guys. But before we explain which fuse we need to check here, let us tell you why it's important to always test them. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So what we need to check now, guys, here, if you look right here, okay, in that row, specifically right there, we're going to start from the very left side, and even if you are, guys, okay, missing a fuse, you still count it. You have 1, 2, 3. That 15 amp fuse, known as fuse number 43, guys, that's one of the fuses that you need to check, guys, specifically for reverse lights, backup lights. The other fuse box is inside your F-150. It's in the passenger compartment in the food department by the kick panel, right next underneath the glove box, guys. You can see when you open it, you will just face it that way. By taking the picture that way, we can clearly show you exactly where it's located, because otherwise, guys, it's almost impossible. So what we need to check here now, if we come in the very left row right here, okay, we need to check fuse number 15 from top to bottom. Okay, fuse number 15, if you have a missing one, you still count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That 15 amp fuse, or the fourth fuse from bottom to top on the left side. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.